Welcome. This episode, we are going to build part 5-46H Lubricator Pressure Spring for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 5-46H Lubricator Pressure Spring for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's go File, New, MMGS. Let's go Front Plane, Sketch. Gonna do a circle. Right about there. Smart Dimension. And that's gonna be, now the coil, the other one's 4.5 inch, 3.5. So let's do 4. Then X out of that. That one's done. Rotate a bit. Now we want to go to feature, curve, helix. It's going to be on the end of that one, and that's going to be 24.5. That's going to be how many revolutions or coils? 17. Nope, that don't look right. Hold on. Oh, pitch. No. Sorry. 180. Height and revolution. That's what I want. There we go. 24.5. There we go. That's better. That's better. Zoom in on that one. There we go. That looks a lot better. Okay. So change the height and revolution. So it's 24.5 and 17 coils or revolutions. And that's done. Oh, hold on. Oh, no, that's right. Yeah. No, I was thinking, hold on. That should be on there. No. We still got to do the circle, which is going to be. Then we go to. Let's do another front plane. Actually, on before we do, let's go to. Can we do? I think we tried this last time. There, at the end there. There we go. Look at that. Done. Now if we do normal 2 on that one. Zoom in. Oh, let's say okay. Let me do a sketch. We don't need normal 2. And we put a circle on there. Hello, circle. Thank you. Wake up, Mr. Circle. That's going to be 1 mil. 1 mil. Now we're going to go out of there. It's going to be Sweet Boss Base. Pretty sure that's it. So circle will be circle. The sketch or path, if you want to call it that way, will be that one. And that one is done. There we go. Excellent. Let me hide you. Let me hide you. Probably looks a lot thicker again for some reason. I don't know why it does that. So if I put, oh no, I'll get that one. Sketch, edit, 0.5. That looks better. Yeah, I don't know why it does that. So, well, look at the thing there. So, you see how that looks there? Let me bring that across. See how... Let me bring it in. There we go. Yeah, it's not so chunky. It's very small. Now, see, that looks very small. Compare the two. So, it seems to be 0.5, but it shows at 3.5 in a 4.8. So, that's 1 mil. When I put 1 mil, it's very, very chunky. Now, I'm going to sell for that. We always come back to it later if we have to change it. Let me get rid of that screen again. Thank you very much. Oh, sorry. There we go. He went weird on the other screen. So, that's it, right? Yes, it is. Actually, shows it's actually trimmed off there. I'm going to leave it as is. If we have any problems later on, look at that, but it shows that that's the measurement done, but it shows it trimmed there, so maybe you can have it flat there. Let me just try something. Let me just go top plane that works. No. I'll exit the other one. Front plane. Nope. We want right plane, that's what we want. Normal 2. So it shows it very trimmed. It shows something there, probably halfway through. But I'm going to leave it as is. That's where it came out. So later on, find there's issues or get feedback, then we come back and do any adjustments we need to be done. So that is part 5-46H Lubricator Pressure Spring done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. Do appreciate everyone's support. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep designing.